One for what I say, you're welcome to Kino Mosque TV. What I say, yeah, I feel in a case of my pancon and the Bremo. They be a fine entertainment to be out there. So about Kino Mosque TV. And I say, once a partnership, and in a Kino Mosque stroke Kalisha Studios. You know, one subscriber and one subscriber. Or Kino Mosque TV, okay. Or Kalisha Studios, okay. And you know, a biapaso of philosophy behind no. And then just normal conversation by any one big man or how I say. But before that, you know, me co-host, King Kalusha.
Oh, Chama. I was there. Oh, Chama, only to have the Aboko.
It's covered as I said.
It's covered. I must have Pepe Mamma and Jadia.
Hey,
Charlie, said okay, you know. Like he said, this is King. What do you call it? King Mosque TV. Stroke Kalusha Studios. So wherever you see this video, whether on King Omoski TV on YouTube or Kalusha Studios on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe. Yeah, you comment, decent comments, and like and share to other people to know or to see what we are about. You understand? Like he said, we are here with what do you call it? One of the finest event organizer, stroke promoter. You understand? We are here to have convo with him. We have to know more about him and, I mean, what he have for us this year. You understand? But first of all, before we proceed, I normally have my random question that I ask people, you feel me, which he's not excluded. Definitely, he's included. I have to ask him this question before we proceed. Big man, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, so my first question is, if you could be an animal, which animal will you be?
Yeah, I prefer I'll be like dove.
Dove. Why dove?
Yeah, because I was born or created to come and help people, to make people happy.
Okay, it makes sense. That makes sense. My second question is, how and where did you meet your partner?
Yeah, I met my partner in Berlin here. I went through a program, then we meet. But immediately I saw her, I set my eyes on her. Then something touched me. That is the woman I was looking for.
Okay, that's Bluetooth. Great. That's great. Yeah, that's Bluetooth, right? So my last question, yeah, who are more loyal, men or women?
I prefer women.
Women. Why women?
It's not easy for a lady or maybe a woman to deliver. Do you understand? Or get into a relationship. Men cheat more than women. That's all.
Yeah. Example.
Yeah.
Are you sure or no? Because anyway, let's proceed. Thank you very much, Chama. So Omoski.
What I say when the Kalusha Nioma on the way down, the baby sow. What I say, but I think the Beshan.
I don't know.
And Unipa and Wahano, big man, Mr. Alan. Rapping more probably.
Me patromini amejoso.
Apomboko de
Nyamiado common swear.
Be aboko, be a dambo.
Thank you.
Okay. Obi first time who Mr. Alan ni. Or person who say, na Mr. Alan no wine. You better describe Mr. Alan no wine.
Before now, me introduce me on. Me say me ma Berlin for you know. Ejuma pa mu diwa because and me ru set up the Ram studio and Kalusha studio Moscow TV no. In fact, no ma mu di egu na apono so ano. Mu deserve say bomba baso.
Era see.
Berlin for. Ebia obi abaha mindi kan ba ha de me ma ba be hu na be better say dwumedi bia wodi bia no. Brahane no mo benya nketa hodie no mo promote because machines ego ha no. Me ma yedwuma radio stations. My life in Arenam too kan but me ba ha so far so good set up me ho no. Mo deserve say bomba baso.
Era see Chawa anya ka the final.
Meto aso biom ne nso no ende ye Easter Saturday motie for ni bebia o Moscow TV ne Kalusha studio kodu bia no. Me obi bia happy Easter. The yebeka ne say afisiesie no na ye nyina ya saate ho nka na ya
ami
pacho ye frame me Alan Johnson okọ Ghana na say dodo na nim ye frame me Foxy yeah maba Berlin me buy no 10 years mo ani ye ko enim. Okay, that is what I can say.
Yeah. Okay, but ye hu say Berlin there but kebe hu e pese nka wo de ko ye chikakra kwan shase free Ghana baby wo free Ghana anyama wo ye yansa na wo bepie mu school akwa yansa na bepie mu Berlin man.
Thank you. Ya wo me obo ase.
Okay.
Okọ obo ase free baby wa ase. I think say one of the hottest area or Ashanti region. Yeah. Me ko school St. Joseph. Me we me besen ko Sunyan Secondary School.
But you St. Joseph no ewa Obaso on okay.
A school with deep.
Okay.
How are you?
And there be a handsome idea. A way of cooking.
And when we there say
One idea, Martin.
say what you want Matthias here.
It could be like a problem. And I nipam side a handsome idea.
Okay.
Ana obuase people leading on toto bra up ababu me ababu me
Enti wo wear gold and wo wear the diamond. So we akotia and Obaso gold diamond. So me the diamond gold ni na diamond ni.
Both
Me that's why. Me na must yan kwa.
Start in school, me go school sunyane. Me go school sumino. Me go even Bechem Business College. Sunyan Secondary School, me go Sutech, me go Garden City Kumase. Also, na Obuase so me ejuma radio station say what Obuase nyina. My assemblyman Obuase. And me am a business and na me yemi juma kakra. I don't want to mention.
okay
Yeah, and before na me ba broche ne so no a true radio ejuma na me event and promotion manager. Me say head of sports or me radio station. I get a contact with a man from DW television. Near friend Mr. Mulo, only invited me because na DW every year be mama Africans nipa 20 normal be studies na ena ma me de ba but through hardships ka semani at the maintenance to am school so na ma me de stay.
okay
Now me pacho before we continue DW no Ghana company and I say German company.
Germany Deutsche Welle, Germany National Broadcasting Television.
Oh okay.
enti waba school ni went ni anko because of sponsor when you near there say Meta Berlin. How was the journey like na at saying ashase no
Thank you. Me buy no kamesa komechi back because yan hwe ne se me te Ghana on se me wo me fie me drive home car si me no o de here at me age me de buy what I say me for my life me wo me bibia anti no me buy na dia na problem am transportation na me ko food train me ko na me bre as to say me am drive no na me need access no but me bra me batte ne nchen ono na ne me kasa na otu me fono kasa nkakra me nya de mintin but ya bre o Berlin at a point in time na me that train no
wow
yeah madam Vanzi bridge na se be and the program na 21st you do a measure me history yeah
wow
yeah suffer o Berlin but all the same more so far so good we are here yeah
okay after the ho kwan afa so tem mo Berlin they say when you stay bibia kwaso kama wo ye wadwuma wo ye okay and then ban say na event sem ebem
on se me dikan ka say me I was born and as a creator say me mani panje okobo ase a okase honorable folks here the whole was because my more radio stations even oboase clubs I be then time and am o nya e be family etu ya me kana no mako contra mako bi me check crowd na me one of the best DJs am o oboase and an event once my catch say me event and promotion manager radio stations oboase at the age of 16 years na me started production me wo Big Papa FM Foxy Big Papa production No Limit record Rockefeller record and na me be 5 records so called was a Miami program am register friend of Mesa Kwaba I introduce it program ne kwaya ko do national me free oboase obi anya bi o call oboase a Mesa dance in name lodge omo dia but omo contact him every August na my am last time I'm free Ghana e call 11 years obi anya bi
wow
yeah so me ba Berlin no me hu ne se na hygiene so me ba no me nya party me no bi kwanti me started na se no say a party so me started seminar coffee didn't come but omo nyina no mo bu ma bem but true coffee me nua ye ogina ho no na ye kwatena trip to our park na ade ye nua na ne akwatena na me kasa coffee ada na because ye better no won so bi tete ship so abrofo no e bi afọ no ma high ship ketwa ne am ka twom sa coffee na ada na mo me started boat party bi na sa mo me nso enko high ship ye kra dey started dey say €1,000 what you say because na yeni ane coffee bar seat Larry near Dawson but later near yes no and say intimi introduce but me the better platform and so nipa bebre me can say be
platform now what platform be
yes,
okay
me create ya fan club me and I'm creating
okay
nipa be 16
okay
na e was nti me the better platform and so
okay
BBC and so nke good obo e was so Jama or so Isaac Shipon also Kofi also Joe also Prince also Kofi also Basit also near Dawson, even Iba or by not Iba crowds.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti you say no, omuka say be boy nye. But time I made the buy say no, na minim shape bo. Mo obi am first kakra mbra no. Na amount for started say mo pull out say no. Omo di omo impeso be yeah nti. That's how it started because you say summer do obi say Berlin I do nti no.
So when was the first time you doing organizing the first all white boat party?
Yeah,
Which
the
year?
first time I think it's here in July 30th.
Which year?
2022.
2022.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So like you are saying, so for this year, what is going on?
This year,
Maybe before I record this year,
yeah,
minimum say starting in 2002, and a first one, and a 2023, yeah, second one, 2024,
Yeah,
third one. They say never cost the fourth one,
yeah, 2025, yeah.
But now minimum say we a group, and I'm say all white party. A ban is saying I say all white party no, mete me no. We say we fake, we nye fake. Person qualify for na man for one say okay. I didn't know I can say be at 21st no. Because me who say almost say fake. But me say they me minimum say we program. And I was like, I don't need to tell say fake. Person qualify for na man for one say rare and I say ebia near no ampa. Because me who social media be say I didn't know 21st there no fake. And I can lose boy.
Yeah. So like he said, what do you call it? We have been seeing 2 flyers.
Yeah.
On social media, some are saying your program is fake. Others are saying it's not fake. Let's hear from the horse's own mouth. Is it true that it is fake or it's not fake?
No, it's not fake. Thank you. I have to mess it here. Okay. Or maybe later we can also do English. The attorney said, na ye nipa miensa, na ye gusu aya start here. But this year, no, I'd actually, na me pese me cast as me. Minim matna hona menteshe. And I'm contacting my colleagues and say, yatna waka 3 months na program ni do. Me contacting my friend Prince and a Prince catch him say no. Any idea o meeting me my boat party yeah. And I'm busa on side. I'm saying no, they don't have any reason. Only say they wanted to part away with me. Okay. And I say okay, no problem. So that's all.
Oh, okay.
And okay. Now saying you also obey.
Oh yeah, because my program I'm there banting. So I believe say obi animal Berlin. Say me dey more. What say because I say more manager.
Okay. Yeah. Second question is the blue party so blue all blue
boat party.
And also a war the answer will be there.
Yeah, thank you. Blue boat party no a coffee.
Okay.
I'm gonna start a coffee in Kenya for.
Okay.
And I started, but coffee did in the never share me, sir. Because once I mean coffee and I'm here be auntie. Watch a met now, and I'm trying say, see this in so but mini coffee and yard ye our brother couldn't. You know, said the bayan so and nipa and men I'm Jamie.
Okay.
But blue part or more founded and Casanami.
Okay. Yeah. So are you telling us point blank or straightforward that you are not the founder of the blue and white boat party?
Yeah, call live now. I say blue party a coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, started live when you're not for the bound queen now. I say coffee. Nipa or mobile can na me di nipa ba ko be shame. That's all. Menya founder enya me na me.
Okay, so that is why we wanted you to clarify all this thing. Is that we have been hearing rumors. Rumors say when we have another founder of the blue and white boat party. Yeah, well, we need to your grounds.
Of course.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
And we feel say to hear from the horse's own mouth is far better than hearing from others. You understand? We want to know the truth.
I believe
so that's why we are asking you. Yeah. We want to know the real truth.
And this year, I remember them say okay. They say and no what clarify say and when you now here. This year no, a man for rest assured say 21st of June program na Basel life. And I say there is a question mark.
The American Berlin for me we are see baby obi what here and Kalusha Studio no Moscow TV say 21st of June 2026. Yeah.
25.
26. No, this year 2025, yeah.
25. Yeah, all white boat party Berlin. ya start ya 3 ya miensa. This is the fourth one
okay.
Basso of Vanzi. Makofa ship, Titanic ship.
Okay.
Because didn't here Basso of Vanzi and say ye program ni obi o Berlin bia na company on ye be money in juma bio.
Okay.
Nti me hu ne say ye koyi nim ne so say ne o masesa because time bia we na man for na mo ship with the Hamburg for the ni ade nti no me make sure say this time around no Berlin for bo mon kasa almost they be ready because ye koyi nim tie say sesa ne o nti no program na ba so live enye fake ani bibia ni ade ba so live. Okay. Yeah.
And they say what person will chair say, I mean Sansu view, it means Sisu view. What person will chair say on the 21st of June. It is happening 2025. It is happening live and color.
We see of Vanzia on side right. See ne da hokese.
Okay.
Shape on this way. It's a Titanic.
I feel a bit green. A bit green.
I didn't say a son Berlin man.
And no crack.
You know my 1. You know my 2. You know my 3. You know after fourth one. Say Berlin for bar. Until America say a special package. Berlin for bo muhuni o ma bebre. What you say? Yeah, person this time no. Obi hu shape in the no comment. Obeka say because Berlin na Germany capital. What you say? Any can say ya ade ya say on and off. Yeah ade na say ya ade no dream. Legit. Fresh obi hu bon so Berlin for makomani.
Because Adia Tembia mechanic say it seems like Berlin we are I say a cage.
We are lacking.
This time the both party
yeah, no, and yeah, both party as same kwana
behind.
When it comes to entertainment, I've been saying it with my friend. Like when it comes to entertainment, I say I lucky behind what I say. We share other city now. I mean, a lot of activities, but then I mean, glory be to God. Say from another man can say, okay, yes, start from the last 4 years. Burning down. I think say, which it is, which is, I mean, it's good. You understand because all work and no play makes Jack a door boy. What I say, won't mean better. I say now 1 year Juma. I mean, 24/7 now 1 year Juma. At least I was saying relax on, and these are some of the things that make what do you call it? Nipa brabo eko year. And moreover, it's not about what do you call it? It's not about entertainment. Say you see, one thing sometimes I don't know. Say a bit more dream cause and I say nipa dream cause say to gather people. It's not about entertainment.
Yeah, of course.
It's about networking. It's about making new friends.
Of course.
You get me? These are some of the things Emma like to come into people and I say organize event.
Yeah, like I told you, I met my woman through program.
Exactly. So most of the time, me can say, you come, you chill, you dance, but make sure say you connect with people.
And I can testify you say you started both party. Third, three, fourth, may fourth one. Nipa bebre awari was side in me bebre.
Me, I connected with Kalusha, so we're all
yeah, it's true.
Kalusha maybe my dear TN say Berlin ya started side area. Maybe year consultation bebre. Me started nyende be 7 years. Me be do Berlin and I'm saying no Berlin ye do. Because as compared to other cities, no. Inti me try say me program bi. You know, catch him say no, sa program no be ne. Me ne Larry ye friend nipa no, but ye friend nipa no. One share down my attention. In I jai throw until I quite remember say me expert na me ba e ma me wa Starcos. Ono na time bia na me kan data no ocean alan say o de yes Ghana dwuma na o ni force. Me nam so ade ne ye be ye boka kra na obi be hu next time nipa be de. Nti no ni nyina na ye say ye be boa ya ho. What you say? Maybe say this year me o programs am a lot. What you say? But still I me prevent me nya. Me hu ne say Ghana no and I say actually me program na me pese me no Ghana nko. De nti anya Ghana nko. Nti na Berlin all white both party. Yeah, Afro Berliners. What you say? Say the be ya obi because ye fifi bibi ni tu kwan ya be share.
Yeah.
Nti say ye together. Enko say Ghana Nigeria no. Obia obey involved obia yeshia na FA occasion what you say na yako but I have a lot of programs on table still I have venues and idea yeah the beba because yeah be say money pay nije what you say you know a teamwork and say you be together me who say Kalusha TV and also Moscow TV idea say me boa me wa ho dey am appreciate Kalusha studio or Moscow TV on say Alan all white boat party or once you see push no. Or until time be no one say yen a team never ni mood. So until the baby are to her in term now. Thank God so good. I have more network pa yes more.
Okay.
Me wo different more networks pa say em funny pambra baby there yen so bit ma boa. So until no nyina say ye be kan bom ni aye together. So e no be yen the end yen support nipa no yen nya hu dede. Ewia obi ye ne de second and ya support nipa ne aye hu dede. Na ni nyina ye nigye what you say. Until no me I believe say together ye be boa ye ho no. E far better ye good.
Yeah, okay. And you know, a few ways will be back program now. Take it, you know, online and I say your tongue like will be ticket in be or better than when you be.
Yeah, normally ticket, you know, yet me send they deliver.
Okay.
But I think say Kofinomo party, Blue Boat party. Nipa ni bi toy almost all menti mamba. Almost send your man fiscal. But this time, you know, yeah, the ticket different. But baby, I will be a the beba. Yeah, ticket. All friend numbers now was na ya nipa ya mandate to ma ticket to mo baby a will be on bed.
No numbers no e flyer no so na.
Okay. Numbers for na flyers na job free bia no. Obi bejo so baby a will be an or Africa or America or him for what the tickets in the bed. Program never so live.
So meaning say any online.
Online no obet match online but you intime
no me person me say ultimate
no any online
just
okay numbers
o call numbers na baby I will be bet me post am
obet me the number and so how to do
numbers no just me go back
any problem
no problem
your time
so the man himself or try say obey numbers na I there ama na ya odi atudwa say na be ya baby o will be where near Berlin for wherever you are within German within Berlin, even if you are outside German you can still come within Europe, you can still come and have fun, you understand, on the 21st, right? 21st
of June 2025
exactly. Okay.
And back obi so be say time ben e be share na time ben e be
this time time or no I think say me first flyer me the ba 2 p.m.
Okay.
But later no because me no Saturday na ya when a rush. Later na who say 4 but shape ni be to 6.
Okay.
But on say this time no package na more. You be say amount for feel outside more. And inside of the boat so people be say film be say feeling more. Me say our special package your boat ni ma obi any budget. Into no time no what check na say 4 o'clock now.
Okay.
Yeah, the one no.
So meaning say
16 4,
yeah, understand. What I want to say is meaning say even before you be moving to boat party no you have some a little party chill
drinks. You better refresh here. You better now.
So in this case, no, it's not about after party. It's before.
Before.
Okay.
My man chat here for moment here say in the tree na anya is anti. Say yakono ansa na be ko boat no no. Outside no, your very na you bury na marinsa edidi. Ansa kra na yakọ boat no ma san ko to so nti akwa say 2 party. Outside and
package,
inside,
yeah.
Of course.
Too chilling.
Two me bow actually boarding.
Of course.
And it me a tree na make.
Me ti ase. Na say man country, me ka be.
Ti e boni mbotchire. Enti no sandet ye. Enti no ye chile wonim. We an akwa chile so inside.
And so before odi number ne be 2. Okay, we have a number no before I me busa.
Numbers no. Say a call or a WhatsApp. First number 0176 811 71 571. Yeah.
And that second one is
0176 70 77 67 55. Yeah. And that third one.
Okay.
0176 821 68 539. And our last one here, 01521. Right?
01521
812 78
40.
Yeah.
Numbers in now WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Okay. And you know, bet me a friend normal call. Bet me okay. To UK crown, I bet me WhatsApp. What I say, and no connected.
Yeah.
Kalusha now so
yeah. So me person me busa say first program, second program, third program. Improvement ben on yeah.
Thank you for this question. On say event and as a program like this, near the numbers
Exactly.
but every year we are increasing numbers. No? And to be honest, the third one, no, numbers in the crowd brought some till date. I still have problem with the shape people because of figure on the mind. No? Me believe. Omo catcher say yani amfa nipa 300. And yani omo kan say your team ne omo boy 20. And almost okay. But we program, almost any pair by 384. I still me doubt it. Almost okay, I debit to meter. Almost be Rema no me ake. Nani pani room. Till now, me doubt it figure. But I keep say improve. And now, first program, no, I'm saying nipa be brave by I refresh your ma. And you might be braces or ship, and by saying other costs. And yeah, the second program, no, you and shade in your cost and sir. But third program we need 2 years kabibri. Yes, and your money I didn't know. I believe say improvement in a name more near that be a share new people. A man numbers in a cost. And now after the program then so no comment I never. I think say even true mona yet na a positive more.
So for let me clarify this. I was there. I think the second one and then the third one. Improvement I mean who ni say. For me, second one, maybe which mine is first. That was first when but second one, yeah. It was okay. The second one was okay, but the third one was crazy, bro. Because when we say Ebano covering the event, from red carpet during the Tamanko and inside on, I covered everything. What I say. So me a right person I met me I can't the AC war.
Of course, that is my job.
Yeah, me a right person I met me I can't the me who yeah any the me here because yeah no so many konfosa kasa which is it was crazy. That's what I would say. It was crazy to the extent say people omo ka say ebi mu ka say I didn't know about no and soon that's the first feedback I buy. And the second one is say I say time limit no time no as some more because of me to say because of the enjoyment no munya no you say who enjoy yeah who names the time we call what I say so people really enjoy that they don't even know that time will call until they say I say no time as soon and Ebi Musaka said no they will be back this year God willing so yeah, we there and I don't know. They made me a canon.
Made me a canon from the start. First one is chassis. Now I'm on for that. Take a class. Ghana for the Bebaso. But Berlin there. On say I'm on program call. First one, I'm say program kakra me nya timing. Time I some share program national. Ship ne time I say 2. Any time I say ba. Any time I say be do about 10 senior man. There was misorganized. And I say normal because first time.
Yeah.
And my friend said people really enjoyed it because now and also be brave. It's not space room. And the second one was fire because because first one not sound no cry. Now
But
second one sound was perfect.
It was okay, yeah.
And even the muchi to say more cry hot. The man for pet baby is I want to know my channel.
Yeah, it's true.
It will be affiliate, but third one there. I say Kalusha na kwa me I was not wrong. But Kalusha saw the video and betcha say oh be okay what I say. And you know say first one I no met me correct. Na second one I pick, na third one I pick more there. And the third fourth one we there. I pick. What I say?
I pick. Anyone know?
What I say?
Mata, I pick it.
About the time, no. Kalusha cano ene omosko kamene mo adwe but problem na ne free aye ho
okay
there ye ne say time na nka say ye didi ni bia ne yakofo ship no time will be a be boat party bia no you spend 50 minutes free outside your time e say e kono we yi ba e na madam free aframe na we aye say na we ndidi ye so nti aya ye che but this time ye nya ne sa
okay
this time no to say the Kalusha cano say obi ba banzi abegineni Otua 60 euro. Even though so buy and woman I full job, if you are the man, as a soon time no genie. And in future, maybe next year, I'll talk to a club. You are near Kokla direct.
See, after party.
Yeah. Because
So-
this
so-
year, I am in quarantine.
So meaning you are assuring us that
This next year.
I'm coming here.
Yeah.
You are assuring us that this year you have before the boat, but next year it's gonna be before the boat and
Inside
after.
the boat.
Of course.
There be,
So before
this
party,
year-
no wait, I'm coming.
This
Before
year need
party
to.
and after party.
Of course.
That's what you want
Of
to tell
course,
us
for next year.
For next year, but
Yeah,
this year is before party.
Because yes, this
Okay.
year no time limit near short.
And I pay on
mommy.
one kwan.
And a coin me fast so I mean yeah shape now. It's true. It's like magic.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
I say shape kasiye.
Yeah.
Once I say me dey say comment me to say na be say muche.
No, for sure, for sure. I wouldn't lie. I would not even lie to you. So, yeah, okay. Because
very
that's the
nice
main where me na me person me mudim come because I made can because it was crazy.
You be post to shape.
Unse me no nkofo e kasa no. And omo feedback na omo kasa as a shape no so no. Omo free belly on. They have omo free outside. Baby anipa no free crowd no. Ba ku bia baby o free oba no. Like 6 hours 7 hours journey no dey buy. You get me? Wa enjoy to the sense of kasa no Charlie as a ship no mu no anshada anya da anshada anchiama no. What you say?
That's a style.
Yeah. So what correcting mistakes no. So yes, I'm for say wa correct mistake.
Yeah.
I've not seen it before. Video mo say na me to conclude.
Of course.
Almost ke nyina ehu ye.
Yeah.
Enti ye pese no wa wo hwe no. You be there. You ba be hu.
Yeah,
Yeah, Gani
and I
Gani.
say to me,
Can understand
come
na
here,
ko.
yeah,
Kazo kawe. Mzo mu chill. Can understand.
Takai.
Yako.
Mumu for the crowd. I say. And I say, and you know, Charlie, Mr. Alan, and chance, no. And one more doubt to say, be a party name, so no, or confirm, say, a bus life. Take it, you know, I have to see, I'll be protecting India.
Yeah, and ticket, you know. Nyame adoma because of Easter holidays, you know.
Okay.
And yes, Tuesday be ready.
Okay.
So far our list will be our reserve will be a yensa kan ya na ye de ko.
Let's
Baby a nipa no will be no. Enye online.
Me and one from a net to Monday, take the no.
There be ticket about your reserve.
Okay.
Because the NT at say last program no nipa bebe ni minya sem ticket sign.
Okay.
Many ni be frel any adenti. This time so am for ya there because so far all this I want a good said e be ya ebeka 1 month ni enton ticket bia bem na Emma pressure anye den.
Emma.
Anti ticket ni online friend numbers no.
Okay.
Say WhatsApp, direct call. Oh baby I will be answer no on sabe count ticket.
Okay. Kalu will be.
So far there, I don't think so. Me will be me and some am one na my dick can come. But yeah, me want same me will be am can. But I will say man some few minutes be obe summarize or English more say
But before that, no. And then I work for programming. Say, Obi Then
So far, what do you call it? Like son of kind, you know. I've been there the 2nd year and then the 3rd year, and this one is the 4th year. I mean, I've seen improvement. You feel me? Which is very, very encouraging. You understand? So I am pleading with each and everyone out there. Yeah, make sure come witness it yourself. Don't let someone to come and tell you that it was this, it was that. No, come. Be there, be part of this memorable occasion. This is the 4th year, and every year you could see say improvement no ever. So you can imagine for this year it's gonna be crazy. And what he is telling us is, for this year's one, the boat is big. I will make sure I will cover the video inside and then outside of the ship to come and show it to you people before maybe the D-Day. You feel me? So make sure if you have not, book your tickets or from now to Monday, right? Tuesday, the ticket will be ready. So you can do what? You can reserve your ticket. Special one for you. You feel me? So that on the Tuesday, you can post it or you can give it yourself. You understand? So, guys, this is what I have for you guys. Make sure you are there. Let's meet there. Let's interact with each other. If you come and you see me, make sure you talk to me. I go by the name Junior Kalusha. We are not done. I'm a free spirit guy. Make sure you talk to me. If you want me to interview too, make sure you approach me. Talk to me. I will interview you. Say everything that you want. You understand? So, Omoski.
Yeah, that's it. What can in? But before we go, we just want to give some minutes maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes for Alan to just summarize the whole thing. Maybe we are not going to be only Ghanaians. There are going to be some Kenyans, Nigerians, and other countries. So maybe some of them don't understand our language.
Yeah.
So we want you to summarize everything, including the fake page and everything. So the people will know that what is going on is rare and there's no fake.
Okay.
So
Thank you. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Anyway, my name is Alan Johnson. You can call me Alan. I am the president, the founder, and the CEO of Afro Berlin All White Vote Party. This year, I am bringing you the fourth one, very massive, on 21st of June 2025 at Berlin Wannsee. The ticket is €60 because this year we have special package for you before and after the event. But I've been hearing about people were saying, or my flyers were circulating on online that is fake, is fake. I am here. That's why you see my face one-on-one. My numbers are on the flyer. The program is coming on live. When you hear any negative thing about fake or thing, please ignore it. We are in summer. We are in the global world. Come and enjoy. Come and sweat. Come and put the stress out. Then have a fun. Thank you. There's no any fake event in Berlin. Coming on 21st of June 2026, Berlin All White Boat Party. Venue, Berlin Wannsee. When you get down from the S-Bahn original train, it's just 3 minutes walk to the sea. Come and meet your Titanic ship. This time, I don't want anybody to complain about the ship. The ship is this, the ship. I have taken a very big, large ship, very beautiful, standard, that suits the people of Berlin. So please, come on your numbers. You are coming to meet me and my team. Everything is happening live. Thank you. This is Alan. Bless you.
so mo be hu say big man ba kon so betra say obeka say na hwan so na te we ebra pa ni pato betimi abodin kakra na ma fo hu ni ba
me did the coffee. Normally, my real name
Voice
is Matthias. My real name is Jiris and Sam, but normally they always call me Kofi.
Okay.
Kofi is the African name, Ghana name that you know. Obia on Friday, no.
Yeah,
Normally,
Kofi, yeah.
we take it as Kofi. So my name is Ubehume Kofi, but TikTok handle no Jiris and Sansa Jire.
Okay.
And so Ubehu Baku or my Kofi G.
Okay.
That's my TikTok handle. So
Okay. So Kofi G, where the say umre what you say? I'm say boss e kasano and I say Mr. Alan e kasano say blue white and blue party no. And they all there. We say one must na rumors be one say on one there. And you know yama was so better say. Send be I was so better. Obe can't be I share amount for what you say because very very important what you say. You know I'm pass the okay no say okay say white and blue both party no I'm pass odia and I say or can trust any odia.
Correct. Say, my brother Alan, me no, ya nante for long, so long, and yende, yeshi aye, ye can't was my yende. Yeshi aye, abe two very close, and I can call him as my brother, not even a friend. We are not friends no more.
Yeah, he's more than a brother.
Nante,
Okay.
Mananti chena like motemo huase.
Yeah.
So mo movement no, edu baby a brother, and ye friends anymore.
Yeah.
So me and Alan, we are like brothers. So I have been a supportive. I've been a supportive to the White Boat Party. I've started from there because I've been a very supportive. If a lot of people can witness that, you will see me when we are sharing
the
tickets, when we are putting up flyers and all that.
Yeah.
We can go everywhere. I go everywhere with my brother Alan to share. And so I decided that, okay, bro, I've been supporting this your White Boat Party, but I'm not part of it because of due to some
One of the reasons. Yeah.
So let me do something different. Like let me add something like a Blue Boat Party, and it will be like 2 or 3 months from the white.
From the white,
so
yeah.
that it will not cause any
problem.
Damage,
Yes.
yeah, something
So-
like
Okay.
I bring that idea, and my brother said, "Okay, coffee is good." And Panifobeka said, "You fruit, you pan
piano, yeah.
because of the way I'm yes supportive to my brother Alan and White Party, of course, be the way I'm supportive now. Me dem who the enemy maybe be a can and Alan said, "No, coffee say obey say bibi say nim dey say abadia," which means I have
Why
to
not?
support you.
Why not? Yeah.
Yes. and then I guess some people are like Rebecca said, the side, Alan side, no, or the down for do or what, or no, so yeah, like. Or Kenya, no bet many different people from the Kenyan
different
side.
audience. Person won't tap into different audience.
Event host every
Thank
year,
you.
Okay.
musicians from Kenya.
Thank you.
Okay.
That was how it is. And then me yes or no. And yes, I did. No collaboration. And quite yes, Ghana for
Ghana for
program.
Okay.
Until one back home na yede. Because me kwa no my home dey no entumi.
Okay.
And my brothers because also very supportive. The way I me support no.
And also support.
So no, sadly me nua dia. Adena me so me support no because why me always even though my friend Juma kra na pon kra na Kofi Alan kasi Kofi yenko share flyers kra na meko. So I have to do it because he have been a brother to me.
Yeah.
And I also so after me send
Yeah.
That was how the Blue Board Party
Came about.
So
Okay.
Blue Board Party, the main me and I'm the buy and I'm a brother here supportive to me. But
So you are
I'm the one that to me.
Yeah, the answer you are CEO, you are the owner, you are everything.
Yes.
He's just a supportive brother.
Yes, but Allah a pillar to me.
Okay.
Me out.
Wow, okay.
Like unya ketwa obuano ade. Like say o person o ya de no but onim nim de kura na. Obebuano with your onim de awede. That was how
the Blue and White Board Party came about.
Okay.
So okay.
It doesn't belong to Alan, but it belongs to me.
Okay.
Yes.
So me logo na me use before me be use new logo. Bobo won say Afro Global and Afro Berliners. But only this year Drew Kofi no na Masade Afro World account.
Okay.
Just to support because I have links. And yes, be
Okay,
Musa. Engineer say here, what the answer no? Is it here to stay? And I say just one time.
Oh no, not one time.
Okay.
If you can, say obiabeti asia, you call white no be kura na. Ebi mu say one sign from
It's true.
And white June. On to me say like then following month and following 2 months. It's about money. It's money. It's kind of program akoso. And you know, say other people or other person can also stand for the blue. Say obetimi am different people. They have to come and enjoy themselves. Why not? So that was when I planned to that one.
Okay. So this year is it happening live?
It has to happen. Yeah, this year it's coming. It's also coming live.
Okay, so you are telling us this year, no, what do you call it? The Blue and White Board Party, Ebebaso Life and Colored. Okay, and expect it.
Yes, expect it. But I want to say first of all, I want the white
to finish before. Okay.
Yes.
And to one person, okay, yeah. Me ba me try one. Yeah, they here no say. The person won't catch say Ebebaso.
Ebebaso because we want to enjoy more.
Okay.
Life is too short. Guys.
Okay.
Let's enjoy ourselves more.
Okay.
The enjoyment is free. We need to enjoy.
Yeah, it's true.
We need to have fun.
It's true.
And then through this kind of event, that will make us happy.
Happy, it's true.
You cannot
It's
just
true.
go in
It's
work.
true.
And
then
my life no cry.
And no cry away, brother.
Yeah. So and you know through that ebia obi ko white wan share ne down wan share
na kanchoma.
But oba blue ebia
Wa benya ne
obi betimi aba blue but obi betimi aba white but ebia that time now white was no nisika sema
I am ready no be experience and no cry.
That's why we have blue now.
Okay.
The blue
Okay, so Blue need here. Any some Kenyan people that more organize a partnership business.
Thank you.
And yes, slowly say Woody and I say Alan there, but only one call for. But
Alan
doesn't have any hand.
Alan doesn't have any hand. Alan
Okay.
is supportive to his brother, his junior brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That was when Alan support me to help me out to let the like I said. Because
why be that?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. You put the benefit. You decline.
I think last me chill.
We are not no chasano. Only said that tia. Me chill tree. Asama yakati
blue na semba. But the way I know this canon. Now ebia me ways of things, how I can make it. it will not go well.
Yeah,
and
it's true.
then Alan is the person that said, no, Kofi, and he said,
Yeah, and he said,
if you
okay,
do it like
okay,
this, if you do it like this,
okay,
it will
okay,
go well.
okay.
Then he has been a supportive brother to me that we should make this thing happen. Yeah. So Blue Boat Party is there also to stay and then to make Berlin people happy always.
Okay.
So every year we will have a party, a white party. After white party, we will have a Blue Boat party. Also.
Okay. That means ultimately my song club say month be mun ebe happen for this year.
Oh,
Now the ultimately cash
this now for now no.
Or trying for
like,
white.
I'm waiting for the white because we really want the white to go on now with this June.
Okay.
And then
After
we are planning.
Maybe July or
August. Let's say this 2
okay, 2 months,
within
July or
these 2
August.
months.
We should expect it from July or
we should
August. Okay.
expect it, yeah.
No problem.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Open the video camera.
I'm on say Hamburg for so called for 2 boat parties.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm chipping in for Hamburg there, no, because I was there last year.
Because Hamburg I'm boat party me no that.
Yeah.
No, so Hamburg, both party no, first one no, beginning no, say I'm saying 10 years ne or 41. But last year na another one back on. And
Last year near party there.
last year me say another a different part. The ATN say
You fully one.
and you 41, but the me person me can say almost 4 years and I don't know.
You're from root party. Root party no.
I know you're
both.
I say you're white party because so I watch here Hamburg or white party no 99% are Ghanaians.
Yeah.
But root party no
Mix. I know you're
but no ni no no say see a pressure saw for one so say the same white party no you know.
Okay, so there is any say
Yeah.
I'm like me witness BB last year. I was there with my mom. So you do one mono. To be honest with you guys, yeah, you're crazy, bro. It was choked. Really, Chama. Me say it was choked. No, Charlie, God of where? Who say? Oh, organizing because we are.
Of course.
First, now me want mentally bit I say, especially Ghana, I say Berlin for. I say yempe, like yempe abontin kona. No, it's not that way. How you package yourself, how you promote it.
Nah,
that's where people gonna know.
Sure.
What I say?
Penapo.
Yeah, the first time we say when one or two people or for the one then, or for the one then it was crazy.
For one, we survived for long.
Yes.
Yes. For almost 10 years.
Or experience no.
Yes,
but still or like KBB because that day no, that last year no, it was like arrangement no, it didn't go well and no one can testify as arrangement no, because it say like go for forcing you know to go it be me rem without even paying money. Yeah, it's true. It be me rem without paying money. What I say, which is
third one the same thing.
Yeah, until no.
Also no money ticket shape ni betu. Yentimi ka so mon kone so mon for nipa be 10.
So the American say we learn from mistakes, our mistakes and others' mistakes. You feel me? So mistakes where I can say no, and you say can say mubesua.
Of course.
What I say, we learn from our mistakes and others' mistakes now that you know. So next time say, and I said this and we make sure say everything is on point. You feel me? We make sure say because at the end of the day, no, it will go against you.
Announcement about area.
What I say, and to know me there, they mean what kind of no. Yeah, there was a say also can say blue and white boat party no so we are expecting it. That a date no baby no. Why they make sure say you are here. We are open. Our door is open for each and everyone.
Yeah,
you feel me? Whatever you are to say, come here, let's talk. You understand? I mean, we are here to support ourselves. We are here to support. Exactly. We need unity.
Announcement.
What you say?
Announcement. I'm a person here and say, I dare back on my Berlin. You lose ship and that's a boat. Indian and Sun at the baship.
Okay.
This time I made the script for 4. Ghana for me and Tukai for me and Tukai for no be no other but because some remark shape a program now. You are in your ship with you.
Yeah, because I have some bottle inside.
You are empty 2 kids for me and no Bejina gate. Or when I better or handband with the baby or better or bag. Not yet me and no me and no beer, minimum man and no better. And so our inside. memo obi am fe aduane ana ensa emba.
That means so aduane ne nsa ne there.
Enti na ma make sure say shape nim no ye be ma obi bibia calculate. Ti memo obi am fe aduane, wo de aduane ba di na bonten. That's been all.
By on say on be service say shape no no e benya baby a obeto o drinks.
Restaurant or
okay.
And we don't mention me on my package am dey my guest no.
Okay.
Enti mesre ye mpese obi a ye be search obi a.
Okay. That one is up to you. So now
now do ho now kwato Arab for no mo say omo hwe na ompene omo ma remember.
Wow.
Because ye ma uremu a na omo one bottle cross and sand in free wa me no omo contract. And no na I say shape bia obede na yenya.
Okay, and that's why I tell I clarify one. Name me share that my system so buy me to me to train komoy. I say I borrow kakra but
no coffee that say also by the clarify some way blue and when because I issue no very very worrying downside one more what I say no. Yeah, once again, anytime be a blue and a be ready, be you make sure say ube link up now. You better not say I didn't come on and boy and what I say. Into the coffee, you was say. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so you heard it from the host's own mouth.
Yes, sir.
There's no fake. It is rare and it's happening live. Make sure you get your ticket. Just contact him. The numbers are on the flyers, or you can just get a number on the phone, or just call me. Just send me any email or anything. That
you can DM, you can DM.
I mean, anything.
You can DM
just contact me.
Kalusha Studio or Moscow TV.
Yeah, man.
We are there for you. And as he's sitting right here, you know, we don't deal with fake. Everything we say here is rare. We don't deal with fake people. So, as he has just said it, it's rare. It's happening live. Make sure you contact him, get your ticket, and let's see you there. Let's have fun. Let's make friends. Let's get the network connecting and.
You are good to go.
Good to go. So,
yeah, man, you are good to go.
So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next interview.
So before that, make sure wherever you see the video, whether on Kino Mosque TV or Kalusha Studios, make sure you like. Yeah, very very important. You subscribe, you comment, you understand, share to your friend. It is very very important. See you in the next video. Peace out.